Several factors can trigger a boot loop on Asus devices. A corrupted BIOS, often from failed updates or power surges, can cause the issue. A overclocking, often from unstable CPU-GPU settings, can cause the issue. A outdated drivers, often from incompatible software, can cause the issue. A malware infections, often from virus or software damage, can cause the issue. A loose RAM, often from improperly seated memory, can cause the issue. A failing SSD, often from hardware deterioration, can cause the issue. A misconfigured boot boost, often from Asus feature settings, can cause the issue. Start with a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to discharge any residual power. If the hard reset doesn't resolve the boot loop, clear the CMOS to reset BIOS settings. First option, remove the CMOS battery for a few minutes to clear the memory. Second option, use the CMOS jumper on your motherboard to clear the settings. Always refer to your Asus motherboard manual for the exact location of the CMOS jumper. To boot into safe mode, restart your computer and repeatedly press the F8 key, Shift plus F8, or the Del key as it starts up. This will bring up the Advanced Boot Options menu, where you can select Safe Mode. If you can successfully boot into safe mode, the boot loop problem is likely software related. A corrupted or outdated BIOS is a frequent cause of boot loops. Use Asus's Easy Flash utility to update the BIOS to the latest version, or roll back to a previous stable version if the problem started after a recent update. First, identify your Asus model and visit the official Asus website, Download Center, to get the correct BIOS version for your device. Next, boot into the BIOS utility and use the Easy Flash tool to perform the update. Make sure not to shut down or remove power during the process. Finally, ensure you use the correct USB ports as specified in your motherboard documentation for BIOS flashing. If rolling back, select a previous stable BIOS version from the options. First, reseat your RAM and SSD components. Faulty connections can cause boot loops, so ensure they are properly installed before running diagnostic tools. Next, test your RAM using memtest86. This tool checks for memory errors that can trigger boot loops. Faulty RAM is a common cause of startup issues. Finally, check your SSD or hard drive health using Crystal Disk Info or Asus Armoury Crate software. A failing drive can easily cause boot loops and data issues. If you can access safe mode, start by updating your drivers, especially graphics drivers, as outdated drivers are a common cause of boot loops. Next, scan for malware using a reputable antivirus program to check for infections that might be causing system issues. Finally, consider uninstalling any recently installed software that might be causing conflicts with your system. Preventative measures can significantly reduce the risk of Asus boot loops. Regular maintenance is key, including keeping your BIOS and drivers updated through Asus's official channels. Asus is increasingly integrating AI diagnostics into software like MyAsus and Armoury Crate. This allows proactive detection and fixing of potential issues before they cause boot loops, reducing hardware returns by up to 15%. Stay informed about firmware updates and community solutions specific to your Asus model. Check official forums and Reddit communities for the latest fixes and prevent problems. Avoid extreme overclocking to maintain system stability. Misconfigurations can lead to boot loops, so use Asus BIOS settings carefully. Looking ahead, Asus plans to incorporate machine learning in BIOS by 2026-2027, potentially eliminating 90% of common boot loop issues. This could result in a 25% drop in support tickets by 2028. By following these preventative measures and staying updated with Asus's innovations, you can minimize boot loop problems and ensure a stable computing experience.